Hey guys, what's happening? How to use Google Classroom as a beginner, right? Super simple. Google Classroom is basically a digital space where teachers post work, students join the class, submit assignments, and see everything in one place. Here's how to use it from scratch. First of all, sign in, right? Google, if you're in the Google ecosystem, this step shouldn't be a problem, right? So if you're a student or a teacher, you could just go ahead and log in using your Google account. Done. Next, join a class. You can hit the plus button at the top, right? Your teacher has to give you either a class code or an invite link. To join, as we said, hit the plus button and hit join class and enter the class code, maybe a number, maybe a letter, whatever. Just go ahead and hit join afterwards. Right? Now you see everything the teacher posts. Next, understand the layout. Only 3 tabs matter inside your stream or inside your classroom, right? You have stream. This is like the home page. Announcements, updates, reminders all show up here. Classwork. Classwork, this is the main tab. You'll find assignments, quizzes, material like notes, links, videos, topics, folders to organize lessons, and lastly, people. This shows your teacher and classmates that you don't need to do much here, but it's like essentially you will see who you see the members inside. All right. Next, how to open and submit an assignment. This is the part beginners get confused about, but it's easy. Go to the classwork, click the assignment, right, and read the instructions, right. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and view the question or assignment essentially. Okay, and to submit your answer, to submit your files, whatever, you could just type your answer and hit turn in. Okay. If required, upload your file like Google Docs, PDF, images, etc. And once you finish, hit turn in. Okay, you're done. If you don't click turn in, your teacher doesn't get it. Next, how to check your grades. Teachers may give feedback on Classroom, right? So go back to the classwork and click view your work. You will see completed, missing, or return assignments. Grades appear next to each task. Okay. Next, how to ask questions. If you're stuck, open the assignment, right, and hit view question. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna just hit private comment, right, to the teacher. Only the teacher sees this. Type your question, right, and hit post. Okay, this is the fastest way to get help. Next step, notifications. Google Classroom sends email notifications for new assignments, return grades, due dates, announcements. Don't ignore these. They keep you on track. So essentially, you don't need to do much here. Make sure that your Gmail is fully on. Okay, so to join class, don't forget to enter a code. Stream means for announcements. Classwork is for assignments. And, you know, if you are trying to open an assignment, just go ahead inside your classwork, right? And provide the required documents or required answer, right? And if you want to check your grades, go to view your work. Ask your teacher in a private comment inside the assignment, and that's it, right? Make sure to keep the notification on. You can now use Google Classroom like a pro, right? Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.